Video-video lang.
Dito tayo, di ba dito?
Dito tayo, tataas.
Ticket mo pa. Tara, check.
Decade of honoring the best wish exclusives and recognizing the best OPM songs. A decade of putting the spotlight on the best OPM artists and staging world-class performances. A decade of putting charity at the core of what we do. Tonight, we celebrate our first 10 years with all of you. Welcome to the 10th Wish Music Awards.
Making his debut performance on the Wish Music Awards. Let's welcome on stage, Maki! Wish Music Awards! For tonight, Karel and Christian Bautista.
Uy, meron akong galing kay Maki. Ano to
Thank you. Thank you, Maki. Are you ready?
Are you ready? Let's go.
1, 2, 3.
Good evening, Wishers! Grabe!
Ito na, Christian.
Ay, ikaw naman, ikaw lang.
What's up, Wishers?
Ay, napakaganda sa'yo.
Joke lang.
Isa pa.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's up, Wishers? Woo!
Okay. Ito, iba naman.
Go.
What's up, Araneta? Grabe.
It feels great to be with you, Christian.
Likewise.
Because tonight is the 10th Wish Music Awards. Konting palakpakan naman dyan.
10th year na natin!
The 10th Wish Music Awards. And it's a milestone milestone year indeed.
It is, grabe. Reaching 10 years is not easy. It's not a walk in the park, ika nga nila. And yet, here we are with our wishers, all of the OPM fans. Nasaan ang OPM fans? And of course, our WMA nominees. Welcome.
Yes, and as early as
Kindness can touch hearts. And at Wish 1075, we recognize how charity can drive change. This is why, over the past decade, we've upheld the commitment to making the Wish Music Awards a platform to bring people together and reach out to those who need our help most. Every Wish Music Awards, 100,000 pesos is donated to the chosen beneficiaries of our major award winners. Now, we present to you this year's roster of charitable organizations, each with the opportunity to be selected by tonight's winners as their beneficiaries. Center for Excellence in Special Education, Stepping Stone Foundation Incorporated.
And we set out for a genre that spotlights smooth rhythms and lyrics. It speaks straight to the heart. This is R&B at its finest.
And here are the nominees for Wish R&B Song of the Year.
Wish R&B Song of the Year. I'll Be Somebody You Want, Jolien. Pati ng Ulan, Zika Marie. Sining, Dianella featuring Joy. Welcome Bibitang. Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year. Bulaklak sa Buwan, Ellie Buendia. Ikot, Over October. Caracol, Philip. Museo, Eliza Matura. Segurista, Zil.
And the Wish Rock Alternative Song of the Year is...
On behalf of Eliza Matura, is Celine Ferros, Warner Music General Manager, Marketing and Business. Accepting the award on behalf of Philip is Celine Ferros, Warner Music General Manager, Marketing and Business.
Okay. On behalf of Philippe, I'd like to thank Wish Music Awards for this recognition. Thank you to the team behind Team Philippe and Warner Music Philippines. And most importantly, thank you to his fans, A-Team, C-Tiers, F-Stan. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you.
Poetic lyrics with heart-stirring melodies.
Oh, okay. So here are the nominees for Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year.
Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year. Allegoria, Muni Muni. Iyakin, Shane Dandan. Love Is, The Ridleys. Nene, Sunkissed Lola. Umaykan, Noel Cabangon.
And the Wish Contemporary Folk Song of the Year is...
Noel Cabangon, Oh My God!
Una sa lahat, happy 10th Anniversary Wish Music Awards. Maraming salamat sa pagkilala na ito, sa recognition na ito. In music, we have to be conscious also of promoting our local culture, our language, at marami pong mga kwento na dapat nating ikwento sa pamamagitan ng musika. Maraming salamat Wish Music Awards for your support to original Filipino music. Salamat po sa recognition na ito. Thank you.
Wish Pop Song of the Year. Apat na buwan, Janine. Kaibigan, Justin. One-Sided Love, June 22. Antropico, Bini. Sariling Mundo, PJ Montero.
And the Wish Pop Song of the Year is...
Maraming salamat po, Wish 1075, for this Pop Song of the Year award. Ito po yung una naming award this year, and that makes it even more special. Maraming salamat po. Napakaganda ng simula po ng taon natin. Siyempre gusto po namin magpasalamat sa management po namin ng ABS-CBN, to our Team Bini, and to our music label, Star Music, Star Magic, and to our Blooms! Thank you so much!
Yes, and thank you so much for the love and support. Bini is not Bini kundi dahil sa never-ending support nyo, guys. And of course, thank you so much Wish Music Awards for this amazing award. We're very honored and grateful to be able to represent Wish Pop Song of the Year. And thank you so much to our amazing composers of our beautiful song, Pantropico, Angelica Ortiz, Jumbo de Belen, Paulo Chavez.
Please come to life on stage. Let's give it up for Zayanella and Jayla.
Contributions to the music scene. But not one to settle. He expanded his impact beyond music. His organization, the Apple the App Foundation International, is committed to giving back to communities and children, unlocking the youth's full potential. Through the years, the foundation has music and philanthropy. Apple the App of the Apple the App Foundation International.
Apple the App Foundation. Apart from the KDR trophy, he will also receive 70,000 pesos.
What's up, Wishers? What's up, Araneta? First of all, I'd like to thank God. Big shout out to my mom and my family in Pampanga. Kumusta na kayo, kabalin? Maraming salamat to Wish for this recognition, and it's truly an honor. Thank you for creating a platform with engaging content to promote OPM in our community and outside of our community, representing OPM. So maraming salamat, Wish. The Aburia Foundation nowadays focuses on keeping family together, creating more jobs, education, from EV education to semiconductor and to agriculture. I grew up farming, so I'm back into farming. Oh, are we back? Okay, we're back. And agriculture, and of course, music. As a musician, I know firsthand having to leave your family and going abroad. It was a tough moment for me, but at the same time, it was a blessing because I got to start my career in music in the US. And quite frankly, if I stayed in the Philippines, it probably would have taken me twice as long. But nowadays, that's not the case anymore. OPM is blowing up. And congratulations to all the amazing, talented artists in this room today. It's a privilege to be with you guys. And once again, I got to work with some of you guys, SB19. And I can't wait to collaborate more. What's up, Beanie? Flo G. And once again, Wish, thank you very much. And let's keep supporting each other, believe in each other, keep growing the industry in our country. We don't have to make it, we don't always have to make it in the US. Let's start it in our country. Maraming salamat, Wish, and thank you very much.
Again, congratulations to our KDR icon of music and philanthropy, Apple de Ap.
Now, KDR, icon of musical excellence, Mr. Augie Alcacid. And to perform the Hitmakers' timeless masterpieces, please welcome on stage, Rob Danielle.
To hand out our KDR trophy, may we call on BMPI General Manager, Mr. Jay Eusebio. And now, may we call on stage our KDR icon of musical excellence himself, Mr. Augie Alcacid. Apart from the KDR trophy, he will also receive a cash prize worth 100,000 pesos.
Grabe kayo ah. Baba oh. What's up, Bandang Wishers? Binabati ko lang lahat ng mga fans ko. Yung mga 50 and above, nasan kayo? Mami, I love you. Saan yung mga fans ko 50 and below? Salamat. Alam nyo, sa OPM, kami ni na Sir Noel Cabangon, kami ni na Gary V, Jo Marichan, Christian Bautista. Huwag kayong pa bobola dyan, matanda na rin yan. You know, once upon a time, sabi namin, sana magkaroon tayo ng, an awards night na kung saan magsasama-sama lahat ng mga mahuhusay natin, mga artists. Tapos magkakantahan sila. Tapos bibigyan natin ng cash yung mga awardees. Baka tapos yung mga fans nila nandoon. Etong gabing ito, isa siyang naging realidad dahil sa Wish Music Awards. Ang galing niyo. Maraming salamat. Ito pong advokasya namin sa OPM naging realidad dahil sa iyo. Dahil sa inyo. Bago po ako makalimot, nais ko lang pong pasalamatan si Rob Daniel. Napakagwapo mo, anak. Bagay na bagay sa iyo mga kanta ko. Lalo kang pumugi. Palagay ko anak kita. No, really, Rob, thank you. You sang it with so much heart. I appreciate it. Nice kong pasalamatan din si Stel. Dahil siya nag-design ng damit ko. Okay ba pagkakasunod? Love you, man. At, well, itong award na ito, reminder ito sa akin na itong ginagawa naming advokasya sa OPM, panghabang buhay. You know, once upon a time, may isang napakagaling na singer-songwriter. His name is Joe Marichal. Kilala natin siya, di ba? Siya yung gumaganon. Ninong ko po yun eh. Siya pa yung wene. Siya po yun. Sinabi niya, music is the language of the soul. Huwag mo na kayo pumalakpak, di pa tapos eh. Kung kaya, naniniwala ako sa gabing ito, OPM is the language of the Filipino soul. At napakaraming puso't kaluluwa ngayon ang napakasaya. Dahil pinagbubunyi natin ang musikang Pilipino. Ito ring award na ito ay tatago ko dahil magpapaalala ito na may mga taong nagmamahal sa akin na hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi po ako magiging musiko. Unang-una yung maupong ama at yung nanay ko na unang naniwala sa akin, kasabi niya kahit maliit ako, pwede rin ako maging ganap na bituin. Sa aking yumaong manager na si Leo Dominguez na nagsabing kahit na nung panahon namin ay napakatangkad ng mga singer, meron din akong kalalagyan. Kay Ray Lanyada at siyempre sa LVD Management at sa A-Team, maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. Sa aking pamilya, ang aking napakaraming mga anak, si Lila, si Sarah, at si Nate. Kayo ang aking inspirasyon. At siyempre, sa aking butihing may bahay. nagsilbing lakas at kahinaan ko. Kung kaya't ako'y nakabuo ng mga awitin na nanggaling sa aking puso. Regine, I love you. Thank you. At sa lumikha sa akin ng ating mahal na Panginoon, salamat. Thank you for the gifts of music. Sa aking ASAT family, at syempre sa Showtime family, you continue to inspire me to do my best. Sa inyo, mga fans, sana huwag kayong magsasawa. Buhay na buhay ang musikang Pilipino dahil sa inyong lahat. God bless you. God bless OPM. Wish Music Awards, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I love you. Thank you.
Sa ating nominees, sa ating KDR icons ngayong taon, sina Mr. Ogie Alcacid at Mr. Appleyap of the Appleyap Foundation International, to our friends from the music industry, including the representatives of different record labels and media entities. Salamat din po sa ating presenters, co-presenters, major and minor sponsors, and to our partners. Salamat po sa mga nakarating ngayon sa Araneta. Sa members ng Church of God International, thank you for always supporting this event. Sa OPM fans, hindi po kami magsasawa na magpasalamat din po sa inyong lahat. You're one of the biggest reasons why we do what we do here at Wish. Talaga naman po napakabilis ng panahon. It's been 10 years since we held the first Wish Music Awards at this very same venue. So many things have changed, and we've seen many talented artists emerge. We've heard many wonderful songs throughout the years. Nariyan na po at dumaan ang isang pandemya na masasabi natin it did change life as we know it. It was an experience that